When it's about to become more productive, faster, and get a higher quality in panel manufacturing, this is where our solution Smart Production comes into the game. So what's behind? We take the data from the 3D layout, from engineering, and forward this data to the manufacturing, and there visualize mounting and wiring information to get a step-by-step description for the worker in the workshop. The next step is to get also the label printing into the workflow. This is the topic where this label printer from Phoenix Contact directly gets the data from Smart Production and just in time prints labels for the components just to stick it, to identify it, and then mount it on the mounting panel.
Together, Phoenix Contact and Eplan stand for efficient processes in electrical engineering. With our Universal Data Interface, or short UDI, in the marking system software, you can connect your Eplan applications to our printers. This saves time, avoids failures, and speeds up your projects. And you remain flexible. You have access to all marking materials and printers of Phoenix Contact. Phoenix Contact and Eplan combine their expertise in marking processes to make your processes flexible, simple, and digitally networked for more efficiency in every project.
If you want to get more details about Eplan Smart Production and the label printer interface, visit our homepage to get all the details.